This tutorial is on rights management. When adding folders and files to the Audrosbox system, your files are being stored and shared on a local network and/or cloud network. If we select Browse, we can see a list of repository folders shared on the Audrosbox. If we go to Read Access, we can see which users are able to read these folders. And if we go to Write Access, we can see which users are able to edit these folders. If we go to Actions, we can then delete a repository folder from the Audrosbox system, explore one of these folders and their contents, or go to the properties of these folders. In Properties, we can change the user permissions and the group permissions of these folders. If we go to User Permissions, we can see which users are currently sharing this folder. We can add to this list by going to Add User and selecting a name from the list. We can then either select that they can read the folder or also edit the folder. Here we can see the new user has been added to the list of other users, and we can see the different rights access. If we go to Group Permissions, we can see a group of users that are sharing the folder. We can add to this list by going to Add Group and selecting a group of users from this list. Again, we select what permission we want to give them, and as we can see, Group Commercial has now been added to this folder. Another way of changing the user and group permissions of a folder is by selecting an individual folder, and on the right-hand corner you will see User Permissions and Group Permissions. You can also change the user and group permissions of a subfolder by going to Actions and selecting the icon User Permissions or the icon Group Permissions.